Hello kids. Color name: red color, yellow color, orange color, green color, light green color, brown color, black color, dark blue color. Today learn alphabet A to Z. A for apron. B for box. C for safe. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. Z for grape. H for horse. I for iron. J for jungle. K for kangaroo. L for leaf. M for mango. N for net. O for oil. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for roach. S for sun. T for tomato. U for uniform. V for violin. W for water. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra.